answers the call again this evening in providing a credible answer to what happened to Elaine Thompson in that 100-meter final. We heard about a stumble. We heard about an injury. We heard about pre-race gastroenteritis and vomiting. We heard conspiracy theories about worries in the MVP camp and worries in the Nike camp. But when Elaine Thompson spoke after the race, she said nothing about none of those issues. Listen.
I am very disappointed, of course, but at the end of the day, this is not the end of the world. I have a lot of season ahead of me, 2020, 2018. So I have accomplished a lot, and I have to give God thanks. It's been a long season. I have to give those girls a big congratulations, even though I'm not on the podium, but I salute them because they helped me pull through the line. And I don't know really what happened, but I came up my dry face and I stumbled. I tried to get it back. Did not try to panic, but they were ahead of me, so I have to just continue to pull through.
That right there is called a panic interview. Elaine Thompson never knew where she was and what she was saying. And as to what really happened, for right now, my conclusion is nerves. Yes, nerves and panic. Elaine Thompson simply crumbled under the pressure. She was not injured. She never looked or sounded sick. It's just straight buckle. She buckled under the pressure of expectations. And the argument will be made that she is the double Olympic sprint champion, so she's not supposed to be nervous. But this can happen to anyone. You can be relaxed today and panic tomorrow. And that is what happened to Elaine Thompson in that final. She got nervous, she panicked, she gas out, and she lose. But the investigations continue.